Constitution of India Preamble. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socially secure, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them of fraternity, ensuring the dignity of the nation, the unity, integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th of November 1914, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.